Every 53.8 minutes, something exactly 15,000 light-years away is flashing a signal so powerful it outshines our entire sun by 1 billion times. And according to the laws of physics, it shouldn't exist. It takes more energy to produce just one of these flashes than humanity has generated in our entire history. But it is not just random noise. It is flashing in 3 distinct phases: rapid pulses, slow fading beats, and dead silence. Astrophysicists are completely divided. Are we looking at a dying star, or are we eavesdropping on something else? To understand why this is terrifying, you have to understand the baseline. Normally, when we detect radio waves from space, they come from pulsars, dead, highly magnetized neutron stars that tick like cosmic clocks, usually every few seconds. We have mapped thousands of them. They are the lighthouses of the universe. But this is where things get strange. The object we just found is spinning far, far too slowly to be a pulsar. Stay with me here. If you love uncovering the universe's greatest mysteries, hit that follow button right now. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of people are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day, because the truth of this signal is stranger than fiction. Let's rewind to late 2023. A team using the massive ESCAP radio telescope in Australia was mapping the galactic plane. Suddenly, the data spiked. Dr. Manisha Caleb and her team noticed a transient radio source, officially designated ESCAP J1935. But this wasn't a quick flash. Over the next several months, they tracked it emitting a perfectly timed signal. But here's where it gets crazy. The leading theory. Scientists think it might be a highly magnetized white dwarf, or a neutron star caught in a death spin. Imagine a glowing, city-sized magnet spinning inside a jar of plasma. As it slows down, it starts choking on its own magnetic field, sputtering out massive, violent bursts of radio waves. It perfectly explains the massive energy output. But wait, there is a fatal flaw in this theory. A neutron star spinning this slowly shouldn't be able to generate any radio waves. It is physically past what astrophysicists call the theoretical death line. Because of this, other researchers argue it could be an exotic binary star system, or, and this is fiercely debated, a localized beam of artificial origin. The data perfectly contradicts itself. Just when we thought we understood stellar evolution, this signal rewrote the rulebook. You might be thinking this sounds like sci-fi, but I genuinely want to know what you think. Look at the facts. Is this an impossible star breaking the laws of physics, an entirely new class of celestial object we have never seen, or a directed beacon from something else? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I will be reading through them, because right now, the world's smartest minds are just as stumped as we are. What you are witnessing changes everything. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If celestial objects can survive past the death line, there could be millions of these dormant zombie stars hiding in our galaxy, acting as hidden navigational hazards, or vast cosmic batteries. It forces quantum physicists and astronomers to rethink the fundamental states of matter. This isn't just a random space anomaly, this is the cracking of our scientific foundation. But don't worry, we aren't completely in the dark. Right now, scientists around the world are pointing the massive square-kilometer array precursors directly at this coordinate. The James Webb Space Telescope is being prepped to look for infrared heat signatures hidden in that exact pocket of space. By the end of this video, you understand that science isn't just about having all the answers, it is a process of being wrong, adapting, and discovering. Every new data point brings us closer to the truth. We are living in the absolute golden age of astronomy, an era where the impossible becomes the next breakthrough. By the end of this decade, we will likely have an answer that will completely blow our minds. But this isn't the only cosmic mystery keeping astronomers awake at night. In our next video, we are diving into the Boötes Void, a terrifyingly empty sphere of space 330 million light-years wide where entire galaxies have simply vanished. And later this week, we will uncover the classified images from the dark side of the moon that were just leaked. You won't want to miss either of those. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the unknown. Remember, every time we look up, the cosmos whispers a new secret, challenging everything we thought we knew. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.